Hey everyone, Spencer here, and check out what I got. Oh man, this is the Disney 100 gift box for the new Lorcana trading card game. I'm gonna open this box right now and show you what's inside. It's should be 6 promo cards and 4 booster packs from the new I guess expansion. It is Rise of the Floodborn. So you can see that right there. This is really cool. And let's see, I guess on the back this is what each of the promo cards look like. I think these are already cards from either the first set, chapter 1, or from this current set, but this one actually has like the Disney 100 set symbol on there. Team Mickey, Stitch, Elsa, Maleficent, Genie, and Maui from Moana, and it comes with 4 booster packs. All right, these boxes look really cool. They're not that heavy, and it's just 4 packs and the 6 promo cards inside. Okay, let's see if I can open this without damaging anything inside. Okay. Yeah, I was able to grab a good amount of these yesterday from Downtown Disney. So the official release date was actually on the 17th, but they didn't have these in stock until the 18th, and today is the 19th that I'm recording this. So I'm probably going to post this tomorrow, right after I film this. So this is all that's inside. It's empty plastic. I think this is plastic, it might be cardboard. It feels like plastic though. It's hollow all through the entire box, but in this section there, I guess there's these 2 tabs that you can pull out. And then there's nothing else in here. It should be these 4 packs. And this is a wax paper wrapped promo cards. All 6 promo cards are all there together in a single holder. So let's go over or look at what the promo cards are. It's or what they look like in person. Okay, first card is Mickey. Check that out. It's really cool. Whoa. And then there's Elsa. Next is Genie. And there's Stitch. And Maleficent. And the last card is Maui. That's cool. I'm gonna sleeve these each up. Probably gonna submit some of these cards, if not all of them, to PSA to get graded. Most of my cards are all PSA. I know a lot of people are preferring CGC now for modern cards. I did have some Beckett cards, but Those I sold all of them already. It was during the time of Hidden Fates for Pokemon. Alright. Okay, and there you go. Those are the 6 promos. Okay, and let's open up some of these packs. Well, all of these, just 4 of them. Yeah, trying to place these cards so there's no glare anywhere. Nope. Guess I'll do it this way. So you can see all 6 right here. And then I'll open up these packs on this side. Okay, so here's Beast from Beauty and the Beast. Alright, I've only opened 5 packs before this, and me and my wife each opened up 5. Well, she technically opened up 8. She opened 3 other packs last night while I was asleep. She couldn't resist opening packs. So let's see what we got here. We have Gaston, Gumbo Pot, Sleepy, Legend of the Sword in the Stone, Raya, Donald Duck, Dopey, Launch, Raya, Warrior of Kamandra, Radigan's Marvelous Trap, Namari, and we've got Donald Duck, Deep Sea Diver as our cold foil. Okay, that's cool. And then this is the extra card insert that they have in each pack. So, is anybody here trying to complete the set? Still debating about that, if I should or not. There are 204 cards. I don't know anything about Lorcana at all, so I don't know if they actually have a subset of cards or secret rares like how they have in other trading card games. You can go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Okay, let's see what's in the next pack. So Enchantress, Popsicle, Painting the Roses Red, Merlin, what's this? Baloo from a Jungle Book, Tiana, Eli LaBeouf, Donald Duck, Sardine Can, World's Greatest Criminal Mind, and let's see, Winnie the Pooh. Okay, oh, here we go. Eudora. This is the cold foil from this pack. Alright, cool. Alright, so how many packs is that? 2. Okay, so I heard from one of my friends that a chance to get one of the Enchanted. It's at the highest rarity cards. It's a 1 in 75 packs. So, is that what it says on the packs? No. So far, total, me and my wife have opened, what, 13, 14, 15 packs so far. Let's go. Hypnotize. Rabbit. Piglet. Merlin. Bound. Jafar. Nana from Peter Pan. Pinocchio. Mother Gothel. Gaston. Teeth and Ambition, and Mother Gothel. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, I don't know if you guys, anyone's playing the game yet, or have been playing with the new cards. The official release date was just last Friday. I haven't started playing yet, but I will be opening up the theme decks in future videos, probably in the next couple days, or I'm thinking about just having Mondays as my Lorcana days for my channel. Let's see, Arthur, Owl, Sneezy, Fairy Godmother, Lady Tremaine, Prince Naveen, Mouse Armor, Bounce, Hey Hey. It's probably one of my favorite characters in Disney. The Huntsman, Alice, and our coldware is Nothing to Hide. Okay, so that is all from the Disney 100 collection box for Lorcana. Yeah, they had a bunch out yesterday, Saturday. Oh, cool. Check that out. I was able to complete it with the 4 packs inside the box. Yeah, and they were allowing people to buy two boxes per person when you're in line, and one of each starter deck. So me and my wife were able to pick up a couple, and I figured, oh, I can probably start a Lorcana pack opening or sealed product opening channel, or not channel, but you know, a day that I can open up some of these products. And Lorcana is pretty cool. Me and my wife are somewhat Disney fanatics. I really enjoy these cards. These are really cool. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'll have these cards actually for sale, most of them, probably on eBay. The links will be in the description below. If you guys need any for your decks, I do have a TCG Player account, and that link should also be in the bottom. All right, thanks for stopping by. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if you guys have already seen other people open this product already, but I really enjoyed it. All right, thanks guys. I will see you guys next time. Bye.